Hello friends, today we will create a campaign with our Meta AI agent using a simple prompt. See, I have given a prompt to create 3 ad sets and provided some basic information like page ID, pixel ID, landing page URL, target location, and budget. Look at how quickly it has created 3 ad sets for me. The first ad set is for jewelry enthusiasts, then wedding occasion shoppers, and the third is for fashion shoppers. And as you can see, the entire execution is happening through a simple prompt. So let's check our campaign that has just been created and see how the content of the 3 ad sets and ad copies is, how different captions have been used in different ads. You can also see how to use your creative placements in this. The video creative that we had uploaded to use, it has also utilized that video creative. This is our video creative. Let me show it to you once, and it has used the exact same creative. It has taken a different caption for each ad set. If you want, you can also create the captions yourself in bullet points or in attractive forms, just like you define in the prompt to make it in bullet points. It will create them that way and pull all the basic information for you. You will see this in the video. Along with that, also check whether it has understood which ad enhancements to turn on or off and whether our agent was able to understand this. So friends, right now we are providing complete Meta AI agent training, both for Google and Meta, which includes all these skills that the work is based on: how to update skills, how to build an agent, how to execute it properly, and then how to integrate Meta with Claude. We are teaching all of this, Google with Claude, the entire process in our trainings, and we are training you from scratch. So if you are interested, you can connect with us.